Let's talk about Stowabike Folding City Compact Bike Black Green. Frame, 20 steel folding frame, fork, steel 20, folded dimensions, W24XL 34XH32. Shifter, Microshift 6-speed grip shifter, rear derailleur, Shimano RD-TY18S 6-speed, Freewheel, 6-speed rims, 20 single wall. Kickstand, middle kickstand, mudguards, built-in steel mudguards, tires, Newell 20x2.125. Pedals, VP872N, chain, Newell E60, brakes, steel brakes. Handlebar, steel with zoom stem, grips, black rubber, box dimensions, 117 by 20 by 56 cm 17.7 kilograms. Great value, super fast delivery, wouldn't suit anybody over 5 foot 8 inches unless you get a longer stem for the handlebars, otherwise smashing by when you see what some people want for ancient second-hand ones. Good looking bike. Took a while to put together, but if you don't know anything about bikes then you need someone who does or a bike mechanic. The only problem is the handle post is too short for a tall person and the seat post keeps slipping. But overall it is a good bike.